Tuesday and I'm back out on the Willoway dock. Let's take a walk through the dock. See here, there's a lot of these hay-scented ferns shipping out today. Nice full plants. I mean, they're starting to see some fall foliage on them, but man, these are gorgeous plants. A very popular one, hay-scented fern. Several varieties of fruit trees shipping out here. We're looking at some gorgeous cherries. Look at these 7-gallon Tamiyuki-yamas and jet maple shipping out now. Nice size for these. Good growth on them. Nice value. Have some of the 5-gallon PGM Elites. Gorgeous size to these. Grasses are looking fantastic. Here we have some 3-gallon Morning Lights. See here, the guys are busy getting the carts loaded up here, getting ready to put them on trucks. Here you can see another busy day with trees and evergreens loading on the docks today. Got another look at those 25-gallon green giants. Let's take a walk through this dock here real quick. Gallon emerald green arborvitae. You can see nice shape and size of those. We're looking at some 7-gallon. Those are green giants. And this grouping here is a 15-gallon green giant. We have some popular Kusa varieties. This one is Scarlet Fire, 7 gallons. Up here we have some cute little hydrangeas. These are wee whites from Proven Winners. Some nice sedums here. These are Angelina teacup. We have some of our root bag. These are the Taylor junipers. We also have some skyrockets going out here, and these are looking good. You guys are getting ready to load up these 15-gallon Smart Art Arbs. You can see here, nice uniform shape. We're looking at some more of those gorgeous 25-gallon green giants. 7-footers, those are beautiful. Crop of Rudbeckia Goldstrom. Here we have some Veronica Iron Butterflies, showing some buds and blooms at the tips there. Nice color on the Plumbago, and some Coreopsis moonbeams. Fresh crop here of Coreopsis Sacrab. Here we have some very nice, this is woolly thyme here. We have a few echinaceas, and then these are a new crop of Becky the Camphor. A lot of the grasses are still shipping out. We're looking at some pennisetums, some variegated miscanthus. In the background there, we have some shenandoahs, morning lights, a lot of great looking grasses right now. Popular ones here, we got some tater tot thuya from Proven Winners, and these gorgeous whipcords. We have some of our ferns, tassel ferns, several varieties of ferns are looking great right now. And our 1-gallon pack of sandal. Don't forget we have ground cover in both 1 gallon and flat. Pulled one of these 2-gallon mop cypress off to show you. Nice color and value on these. A lot of grasses growing out here. We're looking at 3-gallon Tara Forester. Beautiful color on the 2-gallon Blue Stars. Wow, look at the exceptional size on these 3-gallon Performance. Got a new gen boxwood. This one happens to be Independence. And then here we have some Anna's Magic Claw. A lot of great looking ferns still coming out of the greenhouse. Here we're looking at some ostrich ferns. Here we have a few more of the drift roses to look at. These are pink drifts, and I think you can see the buds at the tips there. These are budded up, looking great. We have Platted Coton. This is Sentimental Blue. You know, we can see that cool weather's starting to get to them, but man, these are still nice full plants. They have a few buds down in the center there that may or may not bloom based on the weather coming, but nice heavy perennials. Back of the Nepeta. These are Walker's Low here. You can see nice full 1 gallons. Grasses, Calamagrostis grass, and here we're looking at another shot at those PJM Elites in 5 gallons. Budded up, nice size and grade. Here more of those 5-gallon boxwood just keep coming up to the dock here. Again, these are the 5-gallon Winter Gems. We have green gems and velvets. They're all looking fantastic. Bundles here, but I think you can see that nice size and grade on the 3-gallon hollies. These are Blue Princess here. Nice heavy plants. The boxwood to see here, we have our 3-gallon Winter Gems. And that's spruce, nice heavy 3 gallons. Stop and show you these. These are our 2-gallon Wisteria Amethyst Falls for spring. You can see they're already up the trellis. They're looking great. Got some good pricing on these. Good value. Check them out. 2-gallon Wisteria Amethyst Falls. Gorgeous fall color on the Thuya Fire Tree. We have some Vinca and flats. This is looking nice. Here we're looking at some Buxus Green Velvet. You got nice heavy 3 gallons. Beautiful 3-gallon Mr. Bowling. I have some Pierce, and this one is Katsura and the Plants that Work brand. You can see they're already setting bud for spring. We have some of our 3-gallon green gem boxes. There's ground cover here. We have some ivy and pachysandra. You know, keep in mind that we have ground cover in both the 1-gallon and platted material. We have some of our Picea pungent pendula. These are coming out of the field in root bags, looking good. We'll have some color. These are banana cream too. We have some rudbeckia. These are little gold star. We still have some buds and blooms on them, and they're looking good. All the color on these. This is Dianthus Starburst. Gorgeous. Still bud and blooms on them. You know, we're starting to get cooler weather, and we'll start to see them shutting down. But right now, nice full plants and still have a lot of color. Another Dianthus, still bud and blooms on them. This one is Fire Witch, and you can see here, can full. And they still have some buds coming on them, looking good. We have some geraniums. Here we have geranium Roseanne and geranium Azure Rush, and in the background there we have some Gallop. Here we're looking at a fresh crop of rudbeckia Goldstrom, and although they're not flowering, they're gorgeous plants ready for landscape. The box with the see here, we have our 3-gallon winter gems. Several Dianthus crops that are looking fantastic right now. This is the Pete-to-Tone fuchsia. You can see here they're looking good. A lot of color yet to come. Box is going out right now for landscape jobs. Here we're looking at our 3-gallon Buxus green gems. Looking at some 2-gallon green velvets. Very nice full 2 gallons, and I'll spin over here. We got a block of 3 gallons, so you can see we got price points for everything. Put these in carts, but I also wanted to show you the 5-gallon green velvets. That's a great landscape gray. Let's put another pallet of these in here. We're looking at the 5-gallon Buxus green velvet. Give you a closer look. Again, nice full plants, good grade. Be sure to get with our sales team. We have some great plants here today. Hope we're loading the truck for you.